Hello everyone, welcome back to Epidaga's Dumbbox. This is Akshay Daga. You must have seen some of my previous videos which were about IoT tutorial along with the code I have written, and this time I am back with some more solution, and this is about machine learning. So you must be familiar with the platform Coursera, and it's a very good platform for learning, and machine learning by Andrew Ng by Stanford University. It is very famous and useful course to begin the learning for machine learning. Okay, so this is the 11 weeks course, and in that you have to complete some assignments in every week in MATLAB or Octave language. So it is highly recommended that you should complete your assignment by your own, but in between if you stuck somehow, then you can refer some of my solutions which I have provided here. This is the link, that is you can go to epidaga.com or epidaga.blogspot.in. So links for all those assignments for reference will be provided in the description. I repeat once again, please don't copy this assignment as it is. Use those assignment for referential purpose only. And the main motto behind completing all those course is to gain knowledge, not don't do it just for the sake of completion. So here you can see I had tried to provide my solutions in well organized manner, and mostly I tried to provide optimized solution, that is vectorized implementation. Those who are going through this course, they can understand what I am talking about. And at various places I tried to provide multiple solutions, that is one solution is using for loop and another solution is using vectorized implementation, so that it will be better for you, it will be easy for you to understand, because for loop, the solution with for loop is easy to understand, and once you understand that, you can go ahead with the vectorized implementation. Okay guys, so for example, here you can see uh, I have provided two solutions, like working solution 1 and working solution 2, and I have provided almost comment to every line of code, so that it will be easy for you to understand what exactly that code is doing, that line of code is doing. So link for the solutions will be given in the description week wise, and you can refer those solution. Please just refer those solution, don't copy it. Please try to understand the solution, then you can recreate by your own. And if you come across some doubt, some query regarding my solution, or if you have some better solution for the same problem, you can comment in the comment box. Thank you very much. You can visit my blogs, and description will be given in the link. And if you like my work, if you like the solutions I provide, please like this video and comment on it. This will encourage me, and this will help me to continue my work in this field. So thank you very much. This is Akshay Daga signing off. Bye bye.